Welcome back to the Moji and Martin Show. Moji, what are you up to? You feeling a bit shy today? Oh. Are you taking the pig? The pig? Yeah. Are you taking the? Hey, it ain't that bad. Yeah, I've seen a few beards around as well, and I think there are a lot of people out there right now are feeling it with the old hair at the moment. So yeah, that's very funny. That is very funny, very good. But of course, we're not, unlike you, Moji, we're not able to just and get it sorted. So yeah, for everybody out there that's getting the old Cousin It style hair from the Addams Family, then you know, I feel your pain, and Moji just takes the mick a little bit unscripted. God bless him. Right, for this episode, thank you, welcome, you know, for coming back. Thank you. He's completely put me off my stride. We're going to talk about whether you guys had learned anything new during lockdown. So at the very start of lockdown, there was some high hopes of, oh, you know, I might learn to play the guitar, or I might do that thing that you know, I've never had time to do. So we were just wondering whether you'd got up to anything, and you know, you've got some new skills to pay the bills. Now, my boys have been doing really well with their music. My youngest can play the Star Wars theme on the piano, very impressive. My eldest also doing a bit of the old piano, but also taught himself some songs on the guitar. So pretty impressive. So the old guitaring and the piano. That's very romantic, okay? Very. So music. Have you tried your hand at you know, a musical instrument, or learn a new song, learn a new tune, and maybe singing? Maybe you've been doing a bit of bit of singing going on. So we'd love to hear from you, and you know, tell us what you've been up to, whether you've got any more skills. What other things could people have been doing? It could have been reading a book. It's not really a skill, but I suppose if you're younger, then you've been reading books. But again, you know, my boys have been reading a lot of books during this time. But that's nice to, you know, some you time. Yeah, some just self-care, checking out the books. What else we got? The Moji, cooking. Anybody tried their hand at cooking? You know, tried to, you know, nail some of those meals. We've done a lot of baking in our house. The cakes have been flowing, which is good. But yeah, anybody been doing some baking? That'd be interesting to know. Anything else? Gaming? Tried anybody who's not a gamer tried their hand at some gaming? We've been doing a bit of gaming, which is always good. Anybody got round to actually watching those movies that, you know, they've been putting off and off because they just haven't had the time? Anybody actually got through some of those movies that you've been meaning to watch for a long time? I know it's not a new skill, but it is one of those things that's like, oh, if only I had the time. Maybe you've crafted out some time and watched some of those movies. We certainly have, and we've been watching movies as a family, which is really nice. So what else, mate? What else? We've got some gardening. We've covered gardening in one of our earlier episodes. So gardening. Anybody tried their hand at the old gardening? What else, mate? Yeah, absolutely. So there's quite a few different things that you could be doing, and that you might have tried. So we'd really love to hear from you. Tell us if you've developed a new skill, or you've done something that you know, you've been meaning to put off. Yeah, right. Yeah, the DIY. You know, I know there's been a few DIYers. My mum has tried her hand at upholstering the dining room chairs, and for the first time, look really good. So you know, fair play. People are getting really creative. Creative, yeah. Maybe you've been doing a bit of art. So please do tell us what you've been up to. Tell us if you've been trying out something new, trying out a new skill. done a new course, or whatever it might be. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, as always, stay safe.